Hello, my YouTube family. I welcome to all of you on my YouTube channel. I am your well-wisher, healer, and your friend Shazia Khan. Hope you are well and taking care of yourself. So let's start today's video. And don't forget to subscribe. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates. I am back in your service with a new and interesting video. So to know the video, must watch the video till the end. So let's start today's video. So stay with me till the end of the video. The topic we are going to talk about today is very special. We achieve success, but is there security? Or have we taken backup of those things? To know this we will discuss some points. We will know some points. This way we will know that if we have growth, then is the security behind it good or bad? Yes, I'm talking about security based growth. I am the a ship is always safe at the shore, but that is not what is built for. Albert Einstein said, I remember an old encounter with a swimming coach a couple of decades back when I had taken my nephew for his introductory swimming class. Give that my nephew had an internet fear of getting into the water. I sincerely wanted him to pick up swimming and overcome inhibition. Hence, I requested the coach to give him pep talk. The coach said, you are 100% safe if you do not enter the pool, but think of a situations where you have to be in the water to save your or someone else's life. He went to on to say that there is always a risk of drowning when we enter the pool, but to learn swimming, getting into the water is an absolute must. It also reminds me of an age old saying that a tortoise has to risk its head in order to move ahead. The head of the tortoise is the most vulnerable part and is 100% safe inside its shell. But by keeping it safe, it can't move forward. The tortoise risks its very existence every single day just to move. There are many such examples in our daily lives. If we look around, we do not stop. Riding a bicycle, motorbike because of fear of falling, driving cars because it may collide, playing a sport because we may get hurt, and the list goes on. However, we still go ahead and do the above mentioned activities. Always we desire levels or protections and safety because of the sheer joy of doing it and or to learn something new. Imagine a parent not letting his child ride a bicycle because of the fear that the child may fall down and hurt himself or herself. A parent has to let go of his fears and inhibitions and let the child ride freely again with proper safely gear. It is a given that she may fall and get hurt, but it is only helping her to become better, and it is learns from that in and applies it the next time the child ideas. So we can well conclude the security or comfort and growth are linearly related, albeit in an inverse manner. It makes we believe that it is not important, rather incorrect, to think that we should not take risk in our personal or professional lives, but it is extremely essential to decide objectively and identity which risk to take, evaluate them, and prepare for counter safety measure or mitigations. Risk is an integral part of any activity, however, its type many vary. There cannot be a real life situations or an action which is averse. Growth and security gone are the days. Offset it and forget it. We will help you keep your system stable and secure by constantly moving and forward. The internet does not just break, does it? In a sense, yes. The digital landscape is constantly advising leaving those with a set it and forget it mentality in the dust. You need a solution built on a secure foundation that adapts and grows over time. Who better in interest with that than a company with a proven take record of building flexible, adaptive, and secure software solutions? Leaving the acceptations aside, a society which has experienced a resources crunch all the time produces behavior which is risk averse, whereas a resources surplus society would produce behavior of accepting risk as very normal. This behavior is also influenced by some early life experience. Every person and society have their own basic and prejudice, which is a result of their upbringing and surroundings. These play an important role in taking decisions, especially involving high amount of risk, and this has been proven time and again by researchers. This, however, excluded times and situations when there are no few options are they are life. Threatening someone has rightly said that a behavior pattern or style is nothing but her story, her success story. In our lives, we always come across some people being more risk takers than other, and the vice versa. The choice depends upon our past experience and a general frame of mind. However, taking risks should always be distinguished from gambling. While taking risk is a conscious decision, gambling instinct is a play of our subconscious mind. The great general Irvin Rommel made a distinction between the two. He said both involve actions with little chance of success, but the difference is with risks. If you lost, you can recover because you have planned for it. But with gambling, it will lead to a whole lot of problems which are likely to spiral out of control. Taking risk is essential, but gambling is a foolhardy. All of this leads and develops into the entire gamut of risk management. Starting from risk identifications, a risk assessment, evaluation, a risk meditations at the same time. In Indian history, there was a great minister named Chanak who has given innumerable life principles which told true even today. One of these many philosophers says, "It is not bravery to continue fighting in the battlefield when the defeat is a surety. Rather go back and prepare yourself only to come back again to win." I hope you all like this video of mine very much. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates. I hope that all of you are getting progress, prosperity in your works and life. May Allah keep you all successful like this. So नाजरी यही थी मेरी आज की वीडियो. So now give me permission to say goodbye. I will be back again with a new video, with a new spirit, with a new day, with a new happiness. And take care of yourself. Remember, be in your press. Have a nice day. Or goodbye. Or and don't forget to subscribe. We must not shy away from taking risks in our lives, but do so only after their proper identification, assessment, and appropriate preparedness. And if we realize we are not prepared, it is wise to take a step back, introspect, and then move with a full steam once we have our bases covered. And as goes the famous saying, life begins at the end of your comfort zone. Thank you very much.